Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my May tutorial, which uses the Take to the Sky suite in the new catalog. This is a great suite for masculine cards, but there are also other great things too. I did some graduation cards with it and lots of other things. So let me switch cameras and show you what comes in my tutorial so that you'll have some idea. Just so you're aware, my tutorial is sent out to everybody that places an order with me in the month of May as a thank you. It's a tutorial with 6 different cards, and I'm going to show those here in just a second. And then if you place an order of $50 or more, I send you a card kit, the kit, to make the projects yourself. So that would include the designer series paper, cardstock, any embellishments or ribbon that I use, and then you get a packet of goodies. So I am going to switch cameras now and show you that. So this is the Adventurous Skies. This is the bundle that I used this month for my tutorial. And it actually is part of a suite collection, which uses, it's called Take to the Sky. So let me go ahead and show you. These are the cards that I made. I used Wink Estella on this one. So on my website, there will be a list of supplies, and actually down below on YouTube, there'll be a list of supplies in the for what I used, so that you'll know. And in the tutorials, the lists are there too. Because these are the cards. I love this technique with the white watercolor pencil. I used the blender pen just to kind of blend out and give some shading to those. So those are the 6 cards. This is the suite of paper, which is really cool. I love, there's something about the navy and the copper together. These got great colors. And this particular sheet of paper is going to be a little more difficult for me to cut up to make sure everybody gets what they need, but I think I have it figured out. So, and then you got the back side, which has a lot of great background papers. So that is my tutorial. Oh, I wanted to show this too, just real quickly, a scrapbook page I did using this bundle. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can actually see the whole scrapbook page. But I was just kind of playing around one day, and this is what I developed. I like the scrapbook page. All right, let me come back on. So just so you're aware, go ahead and use the host code for May. It's down right here on the video, and I will make sure that you get a packet of goodies, and that email will be sent out. Sometimes my email goes to your junk file, so if you don't get it shortly, within 24 hours of you placing an order, it's probably because it's in junk or somewhere in there. But you can always text me, email me, and I will get it sent back out. So I hope you enjoy that. Thank you very much for supporting me in my business, and I will see you soon. Thanks.